In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid plagiarism using Grammarly. This is a quick yet comprehensive guide designed to help you ensure your work remains original and properly credited. Let's get started by accessing Grammarly, a powerful tool that not only checks for grammatical errors, but also helps maintain the integrity of your content. First, you'll want to navigate to Grammarly's website. If you're not already familiar, you can easily find it by searching Grammarly in your browser. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice two primary options to either log in or sign up for a free account. Assuming you already have an account, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Grammarly account. Once entered, click on the continue button. This action will guide you to the next step of logging in, allowing you access to all the features Grammarly has to offer. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at the Grammarly homepage. Here you can see various options, but for the purpose of today, our focus is on employing Grammarly within a Google Doc to check for any signs of plagiarism and to correct potential issues on the spot. Now, open Google Docs and select the document you wish to examine. Once your document is open, look for the Grammarly icon, which should be visible on the side panel if you've installed the Grammarly extension for Chrome. Click on this icon to activate Grammarly within your document. This allows Grammarly to scan your text directly, providing suggestions and insights to enhance your writing. Once Grammarly is active, scroll down through your document. Take this time to verify suggestions for regular grammar and stylistic improvements, but more importantly, prepare to engage the tool's plagiarism checker. As you scroll and review, at the bottom of the Grammarly panel, you will find the option labeled Check for Plagiarism and AI Text. Click on it to initiate the plagiarism check. This feature scans your document against billions of web pages to highlight sections that may require citation or rephrasing to ensure originality. By carefully following these steps, you are taking a proactive measure to maintain academic or professional integrity in your writing, avoiding unintentional plagiarism, and ensuring your final document is polished and professional. Remember, using Grammarly